name is Stereo Mike.
Yeah, we got 3 tickets to the Brand Van concert happening this Monday night at Pacific Palisades. You can all in if you want to answer a couple of questions. Mainly, what is Todd's favorite cheese? Jackie just called up and said it was a form of Roquefort. Let's see about that.
Give us a ring ding ding. It's a beautiful day.
Yeah, Todd, this is Liquid. Ring-a-ding-a-ding-a. I want those 3 Brand Van tickets, man. What do you think? Todd?
He's alive! Alive!
I woke up again this morning with the sun in my eyes when Mike came over with a script surprise. A mafioso story with a twist. A 2-1 fool, Julie Newmar. Here to get your ass out of bed. He said I'll explain it on the way. But we did nothing,
absolutely nothing that day. And I say, what the hell am I doing drinking in LA at 26? I got the fever for the flavor, the payback will be later. Still I need a fix.
and the girls on the bus kept on laughing at us. We rode around town down to Venice again, blaring out the G-Funk, sipping on juice and gin. Just me and a friend, feeling kinda groovy, working on a movie. Yeah, right.
But we did nothing, absolutely but kiss that day. And I'll say, what the hell am I doing drinking in LA at 26?
With my mind on my money and my money on mine.
I know life is for the taking, so I better wise up and take it quick.
Yeah, one more time with Trader Vic's. With some men, they all wanted to hurt us, and other men said we weren't worth the fuss. You could see them all bitching by the bar about the fine line between the rich and the poor. And Mike turned to me and said, what you think we got done, son? We found the conclusion.
And I guess that's something. So I asked you, what the hell am I doing drinking in LA at 26? I got the fever for the nectar, the payback will be later. Still I need a fix.
Fix, yeah, well, come on Monday, maybe we'll fix it all up.